Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, which is video number 2 on histogram, which is the part of the syllabus of OLevel and IGCSE mathematics, we will solve another past paper question. And as I told you in the previous video, we started with the basics, so we are moving toward the advanced level. And gradually we will do more advanced questions of past paper. So here are the two QR codes on which I have made all the videos of maths related to case stage 3 and 4, so you can watch it to increase your knowledge. So we know that histogram is a graph of this type which has no gap between the bars, and the area of the bar represents the frequency. We also discussed the y-axis, which is representing frequency density, and frequency density has a formula: frequency divided by class width. Now what is class width? This width interval from 0 to 10. So if I want to see the frequency of this, I will do 10 multiplied by 6. So it will be 60. So frequency first bar is 60. So this is we have discussed in the last case. So let's see the question. This question is little different. I'm sure you will enjoy doing it. So here is the question. It's a past paper question. The table is giving you information of mass in gram of 120 letters. So letters which have mass between 0 to 50 are 43 number, the first one. Similarly, you know the frequency for the rest of the letters which have weight between 50 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 500. Now the question is, Iraj draws a histogram. Not shown to you here, information is provided to you. Draws a histogram to show this information. He makes the height of the first bar, for this one, 17.2. Now we know from here that height of the bar is actually representing the frequency density. So let's find out the frequency density for each of the interval. So when it is 0 to 50, there are 50 units. 50 to 100 mean again 50 units. 100 to 200 mean 100 units. 200 to 500 mean 300 units. Means the difference, right? So now if I have to find out the frequency density for each column, what was the formula? Frequency divided by class width. So you will do frequency divided by class width. So for the first one, it is 43 divided by 50. So answer is what? 0.86. In the second one, 31 divided by 50. So your answer is 0.62. I'm doing it on the calculator, so you can also use your calculator. Here it is 25 divided by 100, because it is frequency divided by class width, it is 0.25. And the last one, which is 21 divided by 300, it is equals to 0.07. Now, if the person Iraj was drawing histogram, then the height is 0.86, 0.62, 0.25 and 0.07. Very small height. The scale must be taken bigger. But his height of the bar is coming up till 17.2. So what does this show? This shows that he has changed the height. So we will see what is the ratio, and accordingly we will change the rest of the height, because we have to complete this information that what is the height of the other three columns, right? So just a minute please. So how you will do this? Look at the first one. Actually it was coming 0.87, but Iraj has drawn height up till 17.8. It means 0.876 is equivalent to 17.2 centimeter. So similarly, if I have to find out for 0.62, then what height it will have? This is representing height and this is representing actual frequency density. So you know how to solve it. X is equals to 0.62 times 17.2 divided by 0.86. Right? So what is the answer coming? Yes, 12.5. Sorry, 4. So your first answer, the height will be up till 4 centimeter. For the second interval, which is this one here, frequency density is 0.25. So now using the same one which is given to us for the first bar, right? This is given to you here now. You were getting 0.86, but Irij has taken the height 17.2. So that's why we know the connection between them. And now we are finding out for the third one, which is 0.25. What height it will have? So you can again do cross multiplication and get it quickly. 0.86, calculator please. So it is 5 centimeter. Okay, so now the last one, which is 0.07. So we will use the same 17.2 and 0.07 will be equals to what height? So you can calculate it. What is this answer coming? This answer is coming 1.4. So now you have found this is 5 centimeter and 1.4. So this is also an interesting question where you have to find out the ratio between the others. So I hope you have learned one new concept, basically one new application. So let's see the next one, which will be further advanced.